Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a simple delicious lamb and rice recipe from the Arabian Peninsula. This Arabian lamb rice recipe is very popular and has many variations across the Middle East and North Africa. For this recipe, I'll use a mix of 1 kg of lamb chops and lamb breast with plenty of fat on them, 1 kg of Basmati rice soaked for an hour and then drained, 2 large sliced red onions, 400 grams of canned tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, some raisins, 2 dry black limes, a key ingredient for this recipe, and 1 bowl of finely grated carrots. Melt some ghee or clarified butter in a large pot. Add the sliced onions into the pot and fry on high heat for 2 minutes. Add the cinnamon sticks into the pot and give it a stir. Then add the lamb meat into the pot and fry everything till the meat is seared on all sides. This will take a couple of minutes. That's our lamb seared, so we are going to add the powdered spices, the garlic paste into the pot and mix everything well. Then add the canned tomatoes into the pot and fry for 5 more minutes, stirring the pot occasionally so that everything is well blended. Then add the dried limes into the pot. You can break them up if you want to. Give the pot a stir. Then add enough water to cook the meat. Mix everything together and scrape off the sides of the pot. Bring it to a boil and cook on low heat until the meat is tender. Then add salt according to your taste. As you can see that the meat is very well cooked and tender. Now add the drained rice into the pot. And give the pot a mix. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, add the shredded carrots into the pot and mix them well. Then add the raisins and mix them in. And our delicious Arabian lamb rice is ready. Let's plate up a delightful lamb rice dish. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and dig in. If you want, you can serve the rice with some salad or raita on the side. Lamb and rice cooked in this way is a match made in heaven. Give this recipe a try. Hit the subscribe button for more. Enjoy!